the King. I don't have much to bring. My heart's torn in pieces. It's my offering. Take me to the King. Truth is I'm tired. Options are few. I'm trying to pray, but where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't pray, what's left to do? Truth is I'm weak, no strength to fly, no tears to cry. Even if I try, but still my soul refuses to